Hey guys, so today I'm going to try printing a model that I found on Thingiverse, and I believe there's quite a few people printing them out right now. And it's called the Hairy Lion. So I'm going to give that a shot with Hatchbox Bronze PLA, and we'll see how it turns out. See you at the end of the time lapse. Okay, I believe the lion is done. It took 10 hours to complete, exactly. And so now I'm going to try taking it apart. I've seen a few different ways of doing this. One way is you cut around so that the hairs are loosened up. I've seen other people where they just cut down the side a little bit and then start unwrapping the support. I'm going to try cutting it. Nah, I'm not going to be able to do that. Okay, let me see if I can trim down and then do it. Okay, I think I'm loose. There we go. He is free. Got his little... have you ever seen you take your dog or cat to the vet and they put that cone over its head? Okay, so now you can see I lost some hair, but you can't really tell it. Except for a strand here and there. That's pretty cool looking. I should just leave him like that. Let me go ahead and get him off the build plate, and then we'll try to sculpt his hair a little bit here. Okay, so we're almost up to 70 degrees. Let's see if it'll remove from the build plate a little bit easier. There we go. Okay. Now, for the moment of truth, we need to take and make him look like a lion again, other than a bottle brush. So, let me get the light here a little bit better. So what I've done is I've got my heat gun. I'm just going to put it on low. And I'll start from the bottom here and see if I can start getting his hair to drop. I've got the heat gun probably about 1.5 feet from him. So while it's warm, let's just try to bring his hair down. Yeah, that's not gonna work so hot, so let's just go ahead and do it. Probably gonna mess up on him, but oh well. I was hoping to make it turn out a little bit nicer, but I should have brought a comb with me, I guess. Come on, let's get out of your eyes here. What's up with that hair? It's stuck into his chin. I guess I'll give him a little something over the top of his head. By the way, don't get the heat gun too close to your thumb. It burns. There we go. He's got a little crow thing going on above his forehead, but that's alright. Oh man. If I do him again, I'm definitely going to take a comb and try combing his hair. Come on. There. You know what? I think that's as good as it's going to get. I don't want to get it all matted looking. That's different looking, I'll tell you. Oh, that's a cool model. I'm sure that once my family sees this, I'm going to be printing more of these. So I'll experiment with the hair later on. This can't get over that little curl right there. Poor lion. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And I'll put a link in the video description where to find the file on Thingiverse. And that's an awesome model. I like it. Okay, guys, have a good one. Hey, guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. I sure appreciate it. You can do that by clicking on the link over here. Don't forget to ring the bell, too. That way you'll get notified when a video comes out. If you'd like to support the channel, please click on my Patreon page. You can support the channel from there. And if you'd like to watch one of my other videos, please give these a shot. I think you'll love them. Yeah, I think you're going to like them. Have a great day and take care. Bye.